Guys, welcome back to my channel Lockdown Techie. Hope you all will be doing safe. Today we don't have any unboxing, rather I have some tech hacks that I use in my day-to-day life. So I will tell you some live scenarios what you might be searching in some part. So first is, have you ever thought that to your particular Aadhaar, how many numbers are linked? So it might be like your Aadhaar might be misused in some other numbers as well, because we have this single window now. Prior to that, have you ever thought that whether your Aadhaar is being used by any other number or not? So first tech hack we'll see is if your number is linked to any other, sorry, your Aadhaar is linked to any other number or not. Second is, have you ever thought that there are a lot of uh, data leak happens? Like recently we have seen that Domino's data got leaked. Have you ever thought that if your data is by chance leaked, your mobile number, your address, or anything that might have been leaked? So if not, then I will tell you a trick. How can you check that if your data was by chance anytime leaked or not? Third is we have a lot of issues while installing a product which has this product key and all. A typical example is Adobe. When we install, then we might get this product issues. So we have a page where we can install those product list stuff. So that trick tech hack I will share with you. Fourth is just an app. We might have ever thought that if we sing for a particular, if we try to search for a song, we might not get. Means, have you thought of a scenario where you have heard a song or music and you wanted to know the entire song and you didn't get that chance? So that particular trick I wanted to share with you. We have an app to which you'll just sing or just that small part of the song. If you let the app know, it is very accurate and it will show you the entire song, where it is, what song is it, who sang it, all those stuff. So without wasting time, let's go ahead for showing. I'll just go ahead for showing you all the tech hacks that I talked about. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, then hit the like button that you see. This is the first tech hack that we will be seeing. This is for the Aadhaar. Uh, on our Aadhaar, how many numbers are linked? So you need to put your mobile number which is linked to your Aadhaar, and then request for OTP. Keep in mind that you need to enter the mobile number which is registered to your Aadhaar. Then only you will be getting a OTP and we'll go ahead. Now I will do that. I have given my number which is linked to my Aadhaar, and I'll just click on request OTP so that I'll get that OTP on my registered number. Now I received the OTP. I'll be just entering the OTP, and this is let me tell you that this was developed for Telangana, but I have tested it. It works for all states' mobile numbers as well. So when you click on validate, you see all the numbers that are linked to your particular Aadhaar. So if you want to, let's say you are not using any number and that has been misplaced, or your Aadhaar has been not used properly, then you can click on this that I was showing. This is not my number, and then report it so that it will get deregistered as well. That is also taken care. So or you can just select it, and in down, when you just scroll down, you see the report, right? When you click on this report, that will also be reported. That means your the number would be deregistered from your Aadhaar. So this is one tech hack that I have been searching from a couple of days, but I finally got it. Since my Jio number was linked to a lot of Aadhaar, that I wanted to take a new number, I was not able to take. So I just got this. Now we will move to the next tech hack that I was talking about. So this is for file CR that we are seeing. So the file CR option is for those who want to install wherever we want products, like where we get this product key and all, and we don't get it, we just get it. Let's say I want to install Photoshop, so I'll just click type Photoshop. I'll get all the possible Photoshop versions. That works for all Android, Windows, Mac, whatever we have. It works for those. I'll select the let's say Photoshop version that I want to install, and I can get the demo of that as well. Now, now when I get this option, I see there is on the right side we see there's a direct download it and also a torrent download link. So torrent one we can relate to our older days when we used to install or download our movies from torrent. It's similar to that. We'll get torrent link for that. Now the next tech hack is if we see that uh, there's a we have been by chance pawned anytime. That means our mobile number or our email ID was hacked. We'll see that. Now the next tech hack is the on the application that I was talking about, where to which we if we make any song listen, then we see that. I'll just take the mobile and I'll just play a random song from my Geo 7. Let me take my phone, search for a Geo 7. Any random song I'll be picking up and I'll just play that so that I'm just picking a random song and you see that it's a soulmate song. What I will do is I'll just tap this, ask me for it.
That's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and liked the video as well. I had 2-3 tech hacks that I wanted to share with you. If you like this type of videos, let me know in the comments below. I will try to make all those tech hack videos that I know, and that would be also helpful for you, and also understand the facts whatever you are looking for. If you want any such type of videos, then let me know what exactly you are looking, and if you're looking not for any specific but like this series of videos, let me know in the comments below as well. So till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed the channel. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you. Stay safe.